Hello everyone, I am Rahul Bell and I am from IIIT Kota EC department. Today I will describe the simple chat application which will provide us a graphical user interface. Firstly, for this project I will install import the package Tkinter and Socket. There will Tkinter package is used for the create a graphical user interface and the socket is used for the connecting to nodes and communicated with each other. Firstly, I will describe the simple GUI function. As you can see that uh, firstly I am declare the global variable chatlog and textlog. Then the next line is GUI equal to tk. Use GUI is GUI is equal to tk. Use for the use for initialize the GUI function and the set GUI dot title is for the set the title of the window as the server chat and then will be declare the geometry of the window 380 into 430. As you can see that chat log is equal to text used for the is that part where the all text is disabled. All text is shown by by the server and the client. That is someone text me and me texting the someone is all the chats will display the this area and the chatlog dot configure and this state is disabled when I am declare the client dot py it is disabled, it is enable and normal. Here I create a send button for the um, for the send messages from client to server and server to client. This is the background orange, foreground is red and send button command. And here is the text box here. Mm, where all the messages is written is the text area, it is background is white and the here I am creating the three part of this window, the chat log and text box and send button. Here is the three line of the that is place for on the window, that is chatlog dot place text box dot place send button dot place. Here is you can see that chatlog dot place is used for the display all the messages. Here is the height is 386 and width 370. Text box dot place is the area where the server and client texting our messages. The height is 20 and width is 264 265. And here is the send button here for the sending the messages. And text box dot bind is used for the direct sending our message to only press the enter key. And thread dot start new thread receive function is continuously capture our messages. And GUI here is the last function is GUI dot main loop. GUI dot main loop is used for the keep the window in loop. If we not use for this function, there is a send a message in the window uh, and close itself. That is why I am that is why we will use for the main loop function. And here is the main function where the chatlog and textlog variable is declared and there is all the functions GUI and initialize server which will be initialize server will be discuss our further. And there is the second part of the server our project. We will import our library tkinter and socket. Here I will initialize our server connection which will be server connect to server and client. You can see that the s equal to socket af inet socket stream is used for the initializing the socket and to initialize the socket two things here is the host and second is port. I am use here I am use a local host and you can also use as a like IP address for the to device to use two devices in the same network. And I am using port is 5000. uh, here we, we have 65,000 options here, but I am randomly choose 5000 port. S dot bind used for the initializing the server, and S dot listen one is our client. Here I am only chat with one client as you accept the connection. Connection address as accepted. Here is the accept the connection from client, and the all code is here is the all code is copying to the client dot py function accepting the accept and client part, because this part is also for the server dot py, not for the client py, that will be neglected from here. And s dot bind except the s dot bind, here is the s dot connect, because we will client to connect with the server. And next part is the here is the three function here: send function, receive function, and the update the chat. We will discuss further send function. Here is the you can see that we will declare the global function global variable text box, and the text box dot get is used for the collect the all the message, collect our whole message, and 0.0 is to starting point, and is the um, last point of the our message. Message function is here is the variable message holding our whole message, and that will be called as update.cat where update chat is take the two argument message and the state. Here is the state is 0 because the sender send message. Mm. And we will encoded our message in ASCII. Then if our message is lost in between server and client, that then our data is secure, no will be hacking our message. And text.delete is used for the when we when we send our message, we send the message, the text area will be clear, so that we have so that we will send the message in again. And the next function is receive. We will declare the while loop when work unless the exception is there. Uh, Simply data is simply connects receive our message uh, on our continuous continuous receive message, and here is the 10254 byte. As you can previously encode our message in ASCII value, then we will decode our message in ASCII too. If a message is not null, then then we will update our chat, and update your chat we will previously discuss here. Two arguments will taken at the message and the state. Here is the receiver send message, then the state is 1 and exception is pass. Here is the the third important function is the update chat, which will uh, take two arguments message and state. We will declare our global variable chat log, and chat log, as you can see, GUI function, we will text dot chat log is disabled. Then here is the state is normal update. Then we will update our chat message in the window. If state is equal to 0, then the chat log message is print you and our total message. And if send message, then the insert our other and message. Then we will further disable our chat log, and chat log.byview is used for the for we will send our message, and they're holding the priority, and all the all the code is copying to the client.py. You can see uh, here is the when the test for this. I am running our server.py. There the server.py is online. Then we will run our client. As you can see that client.chat is here and the server.chat is also here. So you can also chat with us. Then just like hi, Pushpa, and hi, Rahul. As you can see that when the client is message, then it will be shown there you and the message, and the other is hi Ankush sir message, and if the server is message, then the receiver show the other and the message. You can also type any of this thing and just clicking on the enter button, the message is sent. You can also see chat application, simple chat application that is provide our GUI graphical user interface. Thank you.